Hey everyone, I know it's been quite a while, but I am back with another video. This time it's something completely different than anything I've done before. As you can see, there is a 3D model being printed, and this is a model of the beast Nanook from book 5. Nanook is the 5th beast in the Beast Quest series, and not one of my favorites, but still very iconic to the series. What gave me the idea to 3D print a beast is that all my projects I've ever done were all electronic. And what I hate about that is the fact that as soon as I step away from my computer or I turn off the screen, the model just, you can't see it. It's invisible. It's locked away in a hard drive. But I wanted something more tangible. So I had this idea to actually print a beast. Luckily, I had made a new friend who owns 4 3D printers, not just one but 4, and he actually kindly offered to print this for me. It's quite easy to paint on it, but as a beginner, I still have many things to learn. As you can see, the bell was printed separately, but that was by design because the bell has these straps that are really hard to print correctly. So if you get these files, just remember that you have to print the bell separately because it might ruin your entire print and then you'll have to start over with everything. So you'll see me applying a little base coat here. I was trying to keep as accurate as possible to the colors from the book. Here my wife is helping me out to cover the rest of her body because it was actually quite boring having to paint all of it by hand. The idea for this series is to at least make the first 6 beasts as 3D printable models. That I still have to decide on which platform I would upload these files, but I will make them available for purchase so that you guys can literally print them at home and paint them, or if you don't have a printer, maybe you can send it to a printing shop because there are many places that do that, and then you can print these models at home for yourself and have actual beasts guarding your Beast Quest collections. Nanook stands at about 20 centimeters in height, and I'm planning to make all the other beasts at scale too. So while Nanook's 20 centimeters tall, Arcta, for example, would be about 45 centimeters in height, and you would need to assemble his legs to his torso because he would not be able to print on most printers in one go because he's just that tall. But Tagus, for example, I think Tagus would be more around 15 centimeters in height. All the beasts will be in the right scale according to how big they are in comparison to one another. I'm not gonna make too many promises on how many beasts I'll make because life does get in the way. I painted the final bits off screen because it was really tricky getting all those small details with a big camera on my face, so you'll just have to wait for the big reveal to see those.